Is BarxBuddy really the miracle fix that dog owners have been waiting for, or just another overhyped device that falls short of its promises? This ultrasonic dog training tool, available at BarxBuddy.com since 2019, claims it can stop your dog's barking and bad behavior instantly with the push of a button. At first glance, the company looks legit. They have a physical business address and an active presence on social media, which is always a good sign that it's not some fly-by-night scam. The device itself works by emitting a high-frequency ultrasonic sound that's supposed to deter your dog from barking without causing harm, and it's marketed as safe and easy to use for all dogs. However, when you dig into real user feedback, the results are mixed. Some pet owners say their dogs responded well and the barking reduced significantly, while others experienced little to no change or found their dogs quickly got used to the sound, rendering it ineffective over time. On top of that, several customers report issues with customer service, including delays in shipping and difficulties with returns or refunds, which could be a major headache if you aren't satisfied with the product. So, while BarxBuddy isn't a scam and might work for certain dogs or situations, it's definitely not a one-size-fits-all solution, and buying it comes with some risk and patience required. If you've tried BarxBuddy or have thoughts on ultrasonic dog training devices in general, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your honest experiences to help others make a better decision.